Who was your first customer? How did you get them?
First customer was an introduction to Vicky and Martin from Jemaine's Fine Foods, and we developed a range of nutritional lattes back in 2016, and that was an introduction from someone that I worked with in the industry a few years prior. So introductions and word of mouth recommendations and testimonials are, as you would know, are certainly key, as they are today.
Yeah, absolutely. And to kind of further understand what you do, because you can say, we do this and we do that and all the rest of it, but I think examples are always a really good opportunity to kind of showcase what you do and showcase your skills. Yeah. So it can be with that Jemaine's Fine Food, it can be with whoever. Can you give me a bit of an example of the type of work that you've done for someone that's kind of come to you wanting some help?
Yeah, I'll give you a couple of examples. One goes way back. So I did spend 18 months or so with the team at Remedy Kombucha. It was actually it appeared to be in their early days, but they'd already been up and running for 5 or 6 years. And I helped them with their strategy to, get into the chains in the convenience store industry specifically through, just helping with their pitch deck and their sales strategy and how we were going to bring that to life. So that was an amazing experience working with those guys. Clearly, they don't need my help anymore because they've kicked on in a big way. And a more recent one would be, so the first part is a product and brand development, and then sales, distribution and marketing after that. So a recent example would be we've developed just recently Australia's first dip range in a paper tub. Dip categories full of plastic, and it's called Nuffin, Nuffin, as in nothing is better for the planet. Mm-hmm. So it's been a great story in Woolworths now, 600 Woolworths stores and independents around the country, and that came to light by bumping into Hayden, who's the managing director, who had a great brand, Castlemaine Kitchen, which is enormous in Castlemaine only. Mm-hmm. So we wanted to develop a brand that could resonate around the country, and we've done that. So to answer your question, we stood in front of the dip fridge, could see it was all, full of plastic, full of preservative, everything looks the same. So we said, well, let's do the opposite of all of that. So no plastic, no preservative, happy days. Here we are.
That method.